mean, Namia on Sunday, very difficult game against Aduana. Supporters, more. Then message and our more for Sunday game especially.
Okay. Coaches come and go, players come and go. Asante Kotoko still is there. It's for us. What I say? It's not only I play Kotoko. Papa has, mommy has. 95% of my family, me mommy knew has. Me did deep aquatic because Kotoko time na no. So I've named my children according to where I was before I voted. So he is Kotoko, but he is Sasofo. So omumra team no nyɛ dia ɛnyɛ mimi dia yɛ nyinaa yɛ kabo mu na yɛ nti no they should come. I don't know akyia nso yɛ mu yi wɔn with them ɛna ɛbɛba so. So when they wɔn gyae saa it is not the right thing. Please wokɔ Europe na wokɔ African Arab from na wɔn hwɛ game no kura o. Wɔn sɛ yɛ bɛka go ansa na obi kura bɛyɛ say one akyɛ. Because of the love they have for God. And I also say, send omu reluctant to come and watch game. Come. You understand me? They should come. Under 70, where they may from mini under 70 2018. Niger. And Cote d'Ivoire share my first goal. When Cote d'Ivoire almost share my first goal, and I made damage. And the supporters were they don't care. Immediately, and I'm supporters. We ended winning 2 against Cote d'Ivoire. You understand me? So the supporters are very, very important. They should not see the result as Asante Kotoko. They should come. They are part of the result. When they come, Sule Muntari said it. He said when we were to play Egypt, Okabi, many are paying bow. Many the same way. And I was saying, ɔhwɛ soro no sɛ nnɛ yɛmba wo nkyiri mu to yɛ ahoto ɛnɛ yɛahyɛ wo bɛwu look at the supporters yɛhyɛ Egypt sɛ wa 6 I was here. So supporters are very, very important. They should not rely say wompɛ wompɛ wo deɛ ne sɛ team no nyɛ yie nti ɔmo mmra anyɛ yɛ ɔmo nka so that they will be free mate aseɛ. So media I want them to come and then support us to start the mission. Now a different issue altogether.
Yes. Okay, so also appeal to the
Who's it?
media.
Say,
Coach, that's not for you. Lawyer, yes.
So we will continue to appeal to you to help us to promote the match on Sunday as we begin the Renaissance.
Follow our social media platforms for more.